We are
And we're live. Magandang gabi, magandang araw, magandang umaga.
Wherever you are in the
Nasaan man
world.
kayo sa mundo.
So, for those who don't know us, my name is Shine.
Ako po naman si June, ang kanyang butihing may bahay, esposo. Sorry. Joke lang. Okay.
So, we are on our day 5 of our Go Live challenge. So, for tonight, we will be talking about motivational quote. So, ano nga ba ang motivational quote?
Kayo po ba? Ano po ba ang inyong motivational quote?
Something na magbibigay sa inyo ng drive to move on.
To move on, to pursue something, to keep going, para ma-achieve mo yung iyong goals. Sa business, ganun din. Halimbawa, gusto mong maging successful ang business mo, gusto mong mapalago o mapalawak yung customer base mo and magkaroon ka ng branch out or lalo mo pang mapalago yung iyong negosyo. Yeah.
So, sa amin, ngayon particularly, meron kaming motivational quote na feeling namin yun yung applicable sa amin by this time. And that is, nothing changes if nothing change.
Pakitagalog nga, ma'am.
So, nothing changes if nothing change. Sa Tagalog pa is, walang magbabago
kung walang pagbabago.
Kung walang pagbabago.
Oo, tama.
So, ano pang ibig sabihin nun? So, change doesn't happen by accident. So, it requires intentional action. Hello, Ate Mimi. Hello, Ma'am Tina.
Hello, Madam.
So, as we have mentioned, yung our motivational quote for this time that is applicable to us is nothing changes if nothing change. So, change doesn't really happen by accident. So, as I've mentioned earlier, it requires intentional action. So, it's, kasi minsan, we often wish for improvements, but without changing what we do, nothing will be different. So, let's just take, for example, you want to lose weight, diba? You've been dying so hard to lose those pounds, but if you will not do action, if you will not do something about it, like looking after your diet or do some exercise.
Lalo sa mga Pilipino, rice is life.
Oo, lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino, rice is life. So, how are you going to lose weight if you will not do some exercise and do some dieting, diba? So, change. You need to change. And then, that goes the same with our finances or with our relationships with our husband, with our family members, like that. So, with that being said, you need to take action for that change to happen.
Tama.
Right?
Tama. Isang ang malaking check. So, kayo po ba? Ano po ba ang mga challenges ninyo? Ano po ba mga bagay na...
What areas? Like, what areas in your life do you want to have a change? Like today, like right now, like habang nanonood kayo sa amin, think of something that you want to make a change in your life, in your career, in your health, anything you can think of. Just try to think about it. So let us just discuss some areas to focus about that change. So, like us, right now, we ventured in online business, right? So, in order for us to have growth on our business, sticking to the same strategies won't bring us any new results. But trying new things like this, go live, it opens up a lot of opportunities, right?
Tama.
So we are exposing ourselves. We are getting to know our capabilities para may changes. Kasi if you will just be stagnant with what you are doing, you will not get results from it.
Naalala ko yung usually nung nasa retail pa ako, sabi sa amin nung namin, you know what the definition of crazy is? It's repeating or doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. So kung ganun pa rin ang gawa mo halos araw-araw, walang pagbabago, and nag-expect ka ng ibang resulta, so iba yung inaantay mo, hindi yun pagbabago, kalokohan yun in Tagalog.
Yun yung.
So yun po, so kung meron tayong bagay na gustong mabago, syempre it should start with us. It should initially we should invest something in it. Kasama na doon yung siguro disiplina and yung willingness to do things na kung gusto mo talagang mabago yung isang bagay or meron kang gustong ma-achieve na pagbabago.
So now that we have thought of that areas in our lives that we want to improve, so let's think about making action, like one small step of action na sa tingin natin ay makakabrot about that change.
Tama.
And then, so we already thought about it, so we need to take the first step na. So do you know there is a power in taking small changes, small steps
towards that change.
Kasi you don't need to overhaul everything at once naman eh. So like even small changes can build momentum. So like for us as parents, like if we really want to have more time with our children, so probably we'll just gonna cut off 30 minutes of our screen time. Especially nowadays, we are on our, cell phone, scrolling here and there, watching YouTubes and all. So I think with that 30 minutes, if it is done repeatedly, then I believe that will become a habit, and then it will create a bigger impact, right?
Tama. And then yung small amount of time na yon, in the end, pag pinagsama-sama mo, malaking bagay na yon. Kasi syempre hindi mo na maibabalik yung mga oras na nawala or nasayang, na hindi mo na-enjoy man lang yung nasabayan mo yung mga anak mo sa kanilang paglaki.
So usually success, it's really a big word, no, for most of us. It's not just about being successful in a business, successful in your career, successful as a parent, like that. But usually success starts with the first step, actually. So it does not have to be huge, but it does have to be something.
Something with impact.
Yes.
Yun. And that will add value kahit gaano pa yan kaliit.
And then here comes also accountability and consistency. Here we are again about consistency. So yesterday we talked about consistency, right? So why really consistency matters? So why do you think it matters so much?
Well, kasi nga gaya nga nung napag-usapan natin kagabi, it gains trust, it builds confidence, And syempre, aside from trust and confidence, it builds also your credibility and integrity. Not just, being a business owner, but as a person in general.
So, consistency matters because it's not just about starting, but staying committed to those changes. So, commitment, it's also a big word, right? So, like if, for example, if someone invests in learning new skills, whether it will be business or in your profession, attending seminars won't change that much, but committing to continual learning through books, courses, or mentorship can make all the difference.
And syempre, you have to put yung mga natutunan mo into practice. Yun ang number one. Kasi no matter how good you are with the trainings and all, kung hindi mo naman isinasabuhay, hindi mo naman pinapractice yun, natural, mawabaliwala lahat yun, mawawala rin yun. Kumbaga, kailangan mo pa ulit mag-refresh your course in the end.
So, with that being said, it's okay to stumble, but the most important thing is to keep going.
To keep going, to rise up, and stand up with the challenge. Kumbaga.
Yeah. So, summarize lang natin yung...
So, in conclusion...
Yeah, in conclusion...
change requires action.
You have to identify where you need those
changes.
And then take small but consistent
steps.
Yeah. So I think I hope we have imparted something tonight, or something to all our audience, and also we keep the let's keep the chat open. Please do share also your thoughts, your motivational quotes that really inspires you and keeps you going, and think of something na gusto nyong mabago. Maybe we'll just leave them something to think about. Some additional motivational quote that we can impart to you tonight. So, your future is in your hands. So, you just have to take action today because nothing changes if nothing changes. So, you got this.
Tama.
So, that would be all for tonight. And we wish you
good night, good day, good morning.
Wherever you are in the world.
You are in the world.
So, we are again, June and Shine.
Maraming salamat po.
Coming live from North Carolina, USA. Time check, it's around 10 o'clock? 10:25 p.m. already. So, we're signing off. Good night.
And see you again tomorrow.